Hi guys, today I will explain about how to add text in Clipchamp. This process is really simple and easy. The first thing is open your application, and as you can see I am on the timeline of my Clipchamp, and I already import my video in Clipchamp. If you want to import, then click on the option Import and import your video. Once the importing will be done, take your mouse cursor on the video and click on this plus icon. Then it will be added in the timeline. The next thing is adding caption. It'll be simple. If I take my mouse cursor on the timeline, here you can see the option of Add Text if I click on it. Here you will see the templates of text which are available for usage. Click on one of these, like I will click on this, and now adjust the duration. Once you will adjust the duration, like I want to show the text from the start, then I need to click on this text. So as you can see, the text has been added and you can see it on the video. Now adjust the size and also the position of your text. And in order to enter, double-click on it, and here enter your text. Like I want to say this. Click on it and select your desired font. And once you've done, export your video, and it was the way by which you can add text in Clipchamp.